It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
We got some Alexa sweet potato puffs. They're pretty much the same as, what are they? Tater tots, but they're made out of sweet potatoes. Let's try them out.
Alright, we've baked some sweet potato puffs and some tater tots, and we're going to compare the two.
Just hold on 1 second. Have you ever heard on New Food Fridays when I put my food in my mouth and I go, Well, check this video out. I can't help it. I have to do it every time I put food in my mouth. Now back to the sweet potatoes. Those are very squishy, very sweet, and very good.
They're squishy, they're sweet, and kind of have the taste of a normal tater tot.
Okay.
I thought that they are very squishy and have a creamy texture in the middle, and they are very sweet, and they taste like sweet potatoes, and they do not taste like normal tater tots at all.
I think that they're soft with a sweet texture in the middle. It says that it's bursting with sweet flavor on the package, and it sure is. The regular tater tots are crunchy and a little bit harder, but the inside are pretty much the same, and the regular tater tots, their flavor lasts in your taste buds longer, or at least for mine. And I would say they're both a thumbs up.
I think that the normal tater tots are kind of crunchier, and their insides are kind of the texture of the insides of the sweet potato puffs, only they're kind of chunkier, and they're not as sweet, and they're way saltier. So I think I would prefer actually the sweet potato puffs.
Me too. Let's
ask Emmett.
Alright, Em, are you ready to try a sweet potato?
Yeah. I would like it.
How is it?
Yucky.
There you have it. No sweet potatoes for Emmett. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Way down?
Yeah.
Do you like regular tater tots?
Yeah.
How is that one?
Good.
Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. All right.
See you next week.